Make your next camping trip more fun with this advice. There are so many things to think about when it comes to camping, it can seem like there is too much to handle when you try and go camping. Yet once you break it down, it isn't all that difficult to plan out a camping trip, you can learn that ahead. If you are planning any kind of backcountry camping, a must-carry item is a fire starter kit. If you are in a survival situation, fire is a way to cook, keep you warm, purify water, and signal for help. Many camping stores sell fire starters that can be used when wet and do not require any fuel. Also, try making fire when you are not in a survival situation so you know you can do it if the need arises. Do plenty of research on your camping site and ensure that it offers everything that your group will need. Consider the individual needs of each camper to ensure that everyone is taken care of. This alleviates the need to make supply runs, or worst case, have to end the trip too soon. If you are camping and the weather is starting to rise significantly, tell the coolers that you have with you and put them somewhere in the shade. It will also help to keep them covered with some type of tarp. This will keep the temperature inside the cooler from rising too much. When collecting wood for a campfire, focus on 3 different sizes: the finger size wood, that will catch fire right away, the arm size wood that will keep it going, and the leg size wood that will allow you to keep the fire going for a long time. Getting different sizes of wood helps you to start the fire and keep it going. Getting to know what there is to know about camping is a good thing to have in your head. Even if you aren't going to plan out a camping trip anytime soon, it is at least a good idea to make sure that you know what it does take to go camping for future advice. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.